All right, guys. Can y'all see me? Okay. So hopefully I don't look a hot mess. If I do, um, there's a lot of things that have been going on here. Like I am having fun doing all the things that I'm doing. And just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on with me. If you want to know, I'm glad you asked. So um, I know you guys are just waiting patiently for, I'm going to eat this. That's why I have it. I'm going to put it on my bed so I can take it with me. But anyway, I know you guys have been really waiting patiently for the video, and that is the next thing you're going to see. Guys, that's what I wanted to share with you, a couple things. I really wanted, after I did those chairs, I was on the hunt, I think I told you guys, for a table. So guess what? Your girl found a table for $20 from Habitat for Humanity. I am very, very excited about that. Actually, it cost me altogether, it was like $21.60. And I can show you like right there. And here is the, well, it don't have anything, but here is the receipt. So yeah, $21.60. The table was actually $50, y'all. I talked the guy down to $20, like I really did. Because you got to think, they get the stuff for free. It'd be so much stuff in there. They really are trying to push the stuff out and get it out of there. So with that being said, she got a deal. She got a deal. So yeah, that's why I had to put the video on hold. So I hope with that being said, that will explain why I did not do the actual kitchen tour. So basically, everything is really done, guys. I haven't found something that I want in the bonus room, like far as like sitting or something. So I don't know in the near future after you guys see the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, the living room, the dining room, what else? And just the regular parts of the house. It may be something new in there. If it is, I will let you know. But that's something new and exciting that I wanted to talk to you guys about. You know, what's been going on over here. And the garden is doing fairly good. Some things are coming up. Some things are taking longer. I do see cilantro poking through. I do see, what is that? Cantaloupe, far as like the actual plant coming up. And it was something else back there that's coming up. I'll probably show y'all in another like video like this, just a regular video, what's coming up. But guess what, y'all? Another thing, go check out your local Dollar Tree. Hold on for a minute, y'all. Let me see something. Because I want to make sure. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. I wanted to make sure that I was in y'all's site, and I wanted to make sure that you guys were able to see me. But anyway, check out your local Dollar Tree store, y'all. Listen, I went in there yesterday to get a paintbrush, and I was in line, got my one paintbrush. I'm really doing good as far as like saving and all that good stuff. So while I was standing there, guess what I found, y'all? Guess what I found in there? Y'all look at these. This bag here costs, this is what I'm talking about, the habanero late July snacks, okay? These cost almost $4 at Whole Foods, at Fresh Time, at, I don't know if Trader Joe's sell them, but I was like, so anyway, I'm just really excited right now. But anyway, guys, I'm going to be, by the time you see this video, today is Friday, July the 17th. So you might see this video today. So with that being said, the housewarming is tomorrow. So I may be able to throw some clips in another video. Maybe I'll do that. I'll throw in some clips of it in another video. And then I'm also going to throw in a clip of the table situation. So I'm serving these for the, I have those other lime ones that I found at Walmart, remember? And then I found these at Dollar Tree. Y'all, $1. And this is the same ounces. This is the, is this 8 ounce? No, this is 7.5 ounce. No, 5.5 ounce. Guys, I actually wanted to get 2 of these. They didn't have 2. So I got the Buffalo Quest. I really hope they don't hardly eat none of these that much. I'm going to split the lemon lime, and I'm going to split one of these because somebody's going to be making a buffalo dip, vegan style and regular style. So these are going to be served with that. Then I got the bacon habanero. And I just want to let you guys know they are vegan. I just want to show you. So you won't think I'm kidding you guys. This is vegan. So yeah, I got 3 bags. I got 1 bacon, 1 Buffalo Questo, and another one. So yeah, go visit your local Dollar Tree. I don't know how long they're going to be there, but I was like, oh my God, I'll take it. So, what else has been going on with me? Hold on, y'all, if I fall down. Okay, that goes in there. So, y'all, I don't know if I told you guys, but maybe I did. I did purchase me a new, not a brand new truck, but it's new to me. I did purchase me a truck, and I don't know if I told you guys or not. I basically did it in silence. I do a lot of things in silence because I always want the Father to get the glory out of it. I've always liked Jeeps, always, like my whole entire life. Even when I was a young girl, I just love the structure of them, how they look, the front of them with the big circle lights look like eyeballs, and then the grill look like, I've always liked those, and so I ended up getting me one with my own money, and I was able to save money, guys, because I was selling stuff on OfferUp. I was not going to the Goodwill and stuff hardly anymore. And I actually was saving. You got to remember, during this pandemic too, it actually helps you save money. So I was doing that. And yeah, I just kept it to myself. And yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that. So that's something new that I probably never said anything about. But that's what's been happening. And I'm so excited because, guys, my title came in today. I'm so happy. Got my title. And just a big accomplishment for me that I did it by myself, no help. And to God be the glory. Yeah, and he's going to continue to do amazing things. So yeah, guys, I still have things in the slash pantry linen storage closet for sale. I got curtains in there. I still have couple of the vases and things like that. I did remove one of the pictures that was in this bedroom, which I'm not going to see. I hope you guys can't see anything. So you'll have that. The actual bedroom is done. Really, it's done. The baseboards have to be trimmed a little bit. But other than that, everything is basically done. So I just have to share it with you guys. So like I said, this is what's been going on with me. I hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. I love you so very much for supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Whether you like it or you don't, we still love you anyway, okay? Remember that. And remember to love yourself so you'll love others, so this world will be a much better place. And then also, guys, keep wearing your mask, your gloves, washing your hands, doing what you have to do, respecting others' distancing and all that stuff. Just do it until we can all get through this. And I'm wishing everybody peace and love, longevity, health, strength, wisdom and knowledge, and happiness and love. Did I say love already? Okay, I think I did. But anyway, guys, yeah, so like I said, if I can throw in some clips of the housewarming, I'll do that. And it'll probably be in another video after the kitchen tour because kitchen is done. And that's another thing I'm thinking about, y'all. I'm still deciding on, the table is wood, you guys seen. So I'm deciding on, do I want to do the table like a funny color, like a whitewash gray, the top of it, or something. I don't know. But whatever I do, you guys are going to see it in the next video. I wish you all peace and love and happiness. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. And don't forget, follow me on Instagram, simply_natural_black. And then also go to visit my other channel, Simply Black Vegan. You don't have to be a vegan to go on that channel. Just go there and check it out. All right. See you guys. I love you. Bye.